He couldn't get in his eggs anymore, but he's doing his egg training at home.
But anyway, he did try the eggs. He said to me they were too tight. So because I think these come like all around the ankles, do up tight. But she tried. Yeah, well, yeah.
Keep it simple.
Yeah, well, as you can see,
the trainers at school.
But yeah, the lady tried it. She said, "Look, he's come there." Yeah. Well, she said to me. Well, she said, "They let something they let." Right, anyway, that's where he's told me.
Big, but tall. Grown up. We haven't got it back. That was right, yeah. I went back to the other week. You got it, put it back in an envelope. Oh no, what we did was, we bought the uniform for Trim School that week. So we put it towards that, but we could settle up. We did put it in the envelope, didn't we?
What?
Yeah, and then we obviously
we
put it towards the uniform. Because we, it was right, yeah, it was, wasn't it? Yeah.